Given the root of a binary tree, return its maximum depth. Yeah, so this is just going to be recursed through the left and right trees and all the while accumulate it, and then just return the max between the two of them. So we'll just say if not root, like if we're looking at nothing, we'll just say return 0, and then otherwise just return the max between 1 plus root left, 1 plus self dot max depth root left, and the same thing for the right. Does that work? Cool. Come on, give me the answer. Cool. Yeah, easy peasy. Yeah, so basically it's just iterating through and saying, okay, so is this a root? If it's not, then return 0. And that's going to be useful because later when we recurse, we say like, okay, return 1 plus, if we say 0, then basically we can say 1 plus max depth, because that way we can say, we can just say, okay, so if this isn't a node, then it has a max depth of 0. If it is a node, then count this and then then count this with the 1 plus, and then take whichever one of these is greater. And then then these two do the same thing. So this one returns back 1, but then, so it adds, so this is a max depth of 2, but then when it tries to run the recursion, they both return 0. So you get max depth of 2, but with this one you get 1 plus max depth of this one, which is 1, plus the max depth of either of these, which is 1, plus the max depth of the two nodes below it that don't exist.